When, where, and how SaaS startup can hire developers. By Procoders. SaaS developers specialize in programming and building software as a service applications and products. These are software applications that are hosted on the cloud for delivery to end users over the web. The development of SaaS applications has been integral to the rise of enterprise cloud computing within the last decade, especially since it is more scalable than previous models. Skills, roles, and responsibilities to note when hiring SaaS coders. Programming. Cloud-based products can be mobile and web applications. Therefore, a SaaS developer must be skilled in handling web-based programming technologies, languages, and frameworks such as HTML, JavaScript, CSS, C#, Python, PHP, Ruby, and so on, both front-end and back-end. Typically, such a programmer would have a full-stack focus, skilled in building both the server side and the client side of applications. Database design and management. SaaS applications live in data centers, and they collect a lot of data from subscribers. To optimize the application workload and performance, SaaS software developers for hire are required to be skilled in database design and management. They should be able to work with several database technologies such as MySQL, Oracle, Firebase, MongoDB, and the likes. Tips on how to hire SaaS developers successfully. Hire committed professionals. Startups thrive on innovation, productivity, proactiveness, and a growth mindset. Look out for this combination of features in the developers you hire. Someone might be a skilled, thoroughgoing professional, but if they are not committed to your company's vision, they may not perform up to their best. Hire candidates with industry expertise. Find SaaS developers with industry experience. That is, they should have worked in companies similar to yours or built SaaS solutions similar to the product you are trying to build. This ensures that they have a proper understanding of the business outlook of your company or product. If the candidates lack such years of experience, then look out for those with transferable skills that can be applied to build a SaaS product for your company. Where can you find SaaS developers? You can hire SaaS dev through job boards, social media, networking events, and the likes. However, as mentioned already, it is not so straightforward to find software engineers for your SaaS startup. Therefore, companies employ various methods to supercharge their hiring process and seek out candidates directly. Such methods include outstaffing, freelance hiring, and hiring agencies. Each approach has been explained in this section, along with the pros and cons. Steps on how to hire SaaS developers. Determine who you want to hire. To be clear, you can't know who you want to hire if you have not determined the requirements of the project. What matters to you when you hire a SaaS software programmer? What goals are you trying to achieve? What are your objectives? Answering these questions would help you to create an ideal candidate profile, so you know who exactly you are looking for. Talent hunt. Supercharge your talent hunt by expanding your network and reaching out to people you know in the industry for recommendations. You can also scout by participating in SaaS communities on social media. More so, even when posting on job boards, be clear about the position's responsibilities and requirements so that qualified candidates can apply. Interview process. Once you have completed the first stage, determining who you want to hire, then the technical interview process should scale smoothly. You only need to determine a method to evaluate candidates to ensure that they meet your ideal candidate profile. Depending on the importance of the role, there may be multiple interview steps and checkpoints. Conclusion. If you represent a SaaS startup, you're one of the fastest growing companies in the world today. There is still a high demand for developers in that industry. To find the best ones, you have different options: outstaffing, freelancing, or hiring an agency. However, all these methods have their advantages and disadvantages. Subscribe our channel and read more about when, where, and how SaaS startup can hire developers at Procoders blog.